Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 308 in the GT line specification. This car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, you get full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.